What's up, y'all? And y'all each other soon. I go by Sion as my artist name. Last year, I was invited here to perform my first songs, which was Hmong Pride and Tugulu. Today, I'm gonna perform 2 songs. First song is called Blessed. Just talking about, just how blessed I am to be Hmong, to be here today, and everything I went through. And the next one is gonna be a surprise for you guys with a new artist coming up. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoy, and y'all don't share. Alright, DJ. Alright.
You need to snap.
Shout out my man Leo for this beat. Shout out to all my Hmong people here today. Alright. Look. 透过了不满的沙，年前记录可以用。以前我还喜欢故意搞了把我是中招，有点多这种感情，这些不想要的 no。比如年前记了路，听话说显得 no。Always thankful for my blessings, cause we got from the mud. Ain't no other way out of heaven, cause we turn out to be good. Got the J's on my feet, but I still stack the ones, cause I remember all them times that we had nothing but some joy. 以前我领的老派，以前我领的老 K， 让眼前进了苍白，有点不会想担心，别辛苦想要的 no。以前我still shit the no. I look smart in streets, so I keep it to myself. I can't even waste my life, cause my people came from here. From around all these stations, and these people say my name. Representing all my people who done came the same background. They gon' blow up on my neck, and it's shining real bright. I can't ever waste my time, cause I'm heading towards that light. Shout out Uncle John, cause he showed me wrong from right. I remember your name till it's the time, ayy. Look up to the sky, hoping grandma's doing okay. Let's shine every time, up or down, mama, don't cry. Putting by my side, I see through your lies, quit playing. I don't mess with clubs, catch a ride, it's my parlay. Grew up in the trenches, so I had to be humble. Had to take a couple L's just to see through the covers. And now I'm walking on these stages with my mom out of the comments. And I'ma make it to the top, and I put that on my mama, ayy. That was called Blessed. It's a little short, thank you. Hey, real quick, can I get a Hmong Pride on 3? Count of 3, y'all say Hmong Pride, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes sir, never forget what you came from. So this next song, I'm gonna invite a special guest, Jay. So this song is kind of sad. It's a SoWashCo song. We wrote it kind of last minute, and it's about kind of what we've been through, heartbreaks and everything.
Well, you guys can all relate to it.
It's called Bo-Shore. Alright, we ready. Hey, scream if you ever been hurt before in a relationship. This is for y'all. Ready? For you guys. Y'all ready? Aye. 先配，努力先做加油配，我落跟结果要一类，和我不崩不摸，不引起啥黑别，跟我容你弄，不要钢铁，先钢铁里去路苦啊，不要钢铁到不见，不铁到不可目录。Sa hai te ko lu ku mo ta ni ti mo cha nu no ku chi pa kon o ku ko mo du shi nyo i le nyo chong lu je lo no ji che ku mo i lu so ki lu ku yo mo i song ji bi hai te ko sing share ko mo lu lu tu ko chi mu nyo i le o ku lu share nyo chi tu che le te ko ma wo ku tu ke te no ka shi yo ku tu o ni ya ku no shu za ku 我心窝里家，古玛丽，晒够我高路里。What's up? Thank you guys. Shout out to my man, my brother, Jay, upcoming Hmong artist. Thank you. What's up? See you around.